After clump, this is an curl tool. Going to the hair, in a viewport, make it to guideline, and then focus just in a white one guide. In a guide mode, select this guide, and for better seeing the curl, it's curling the hair from tip to the root. Just click and drag. You can see, you cannot see this curl good because we need more segment on the hair. Going to guides, bring up the segment to the higher value, then go to the curl. Now you can see curl, and we can choose the angle of the curl. And you can curl. It's alive. You can curl your object something like this. You can change the tightness value. You can change the height. It's actually amount of this circles. You can change the X and Y lengths. Just try this number and experiment by yourself. Okay, tighten it along the curve. Higher number, lower number. Or make it 0. Not too much. Okay. And then you can render it to see this curl effect. And again, because in a hair, we don't have such a segment in a hair and in a guide are different. I explained it before. You can refer to previous lesson and just see this nice curl. You can select a whole bunch of guides, or if you deselect, it means you select everything and just curl everything. You can see with a degree, just curling and curling based on this angle. If you want more circle, increase the number of the angle. Or it's tightening it near the root. Nice. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.